Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl Professional 5-Star Balding Clipper 8110, great for barbers and stylists, cuts surgically close for full head balding, twice the speed of pivot motor clippers, accessories included. This is as close as it gets to completely shaved, and the clippers were very affordable. The packaging was very nice, and they come with everything needed to keep these clippers going a very long time if properly cared for. If you want a fast and easy way to get the bald look, then you can't go wrong with these clippers. The clippers are excellent, and do what they are supposed to do without cutting you. Have always had the problem of dulling quickly, or already dull out of the package, and would snag and pull hair every time. Has a very nice steady vibration when running, not like a buzz saw some of the cheaper ones have, and also the weight of them feel very comfortable, and seems to be built to withstand many more haircuts. Great clipper. Right out of the box it gave me an outstanding balding haircut. This Wahl is truly a single-pass clipper that runs cool with a modest amount of buzzing noise. It is a heavy-duty device, and worked perfectly, quietly, and comfortably the very first time, and every other time. You cannot take these and jam it against your skin like you can with the weaker clippers out there. Oh, and they cut your hair super short, to where it looks like you put a razor blade on your head. The motor is well built, and does not get so hot that you won't be able to complete your cut. But after trying it out, it doesn't seem to be any visual problem, and cuts pretty evenly to the naked eye. It's designed to cut away hair from the scalp for the bald look, so this electric clipper is all that's necessary. It required even more passes as well. Furthermore, the device would not cut hair even close to its advertised shortness of 1100 in. The problem with mine was that when it was turn 1 the clippers were going too far into one side. It worked really well for about a month, and then all of a sudden it stopped cutting. The on-off switch being small, and at the tapered end of the clippers makes for easy one-handed operation. This was the solution. Now, right off the bat, this thing is fairly efficient, aka sharp. If you want clippers that get as close as possible, these are what you are looking for. Also, the battery cell in it seems to be on its last leg, and can't hold a charge long. Very smooth cutting clippers, it glides on the hair effortlessly, and makes clean cut without having to run it over and over. There may be other, higher quality Wahl clippers that the 6x0 blade set fits. Several of the models seem to be clippers for every hairstyle with 10 different guards to accommodate different lengths, etc. They leave the equivalent of a 24-hour growth, which is about as good as one can expect. These appear to be a very nice quality, solidly built, and really feel like a bargain for the price. The motor is powerful, the blades are sharp, and it feels like a professional quality clipper when it's in your hands. The Wahl balding clippers are the best clippers to ensure a clean shave of the head. It does a great job, and seems to be a quality piece of equipment, but beware. You shave your own head with this, you might get cut, or road rash until you figure out the technique. The cut was even, and pretty close, felt like a day's worth of hair growth after a razor shave. No need to go over it, and over it as you would with regular clippers. Holy cow, what a close cut. These clippers are like shaving your head with a razor. The Andis works great, and gets very close to the skin, and has never cut me. Money better spent on the Andis unit, which won't take a chunk of skin with it, and gets super close. It only came with a 16 extension which was too short, and one 316 which was too long. These cut so well, and close, that there really wasn't much around the ears to worry about. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.